Okay, here the question. Some students are confused about this one. So, in fact, it's very easy. So you do this, follow the order. So first part is the exponent. Just do that for exponent. Exponent first, then change all the division to multiplication. Then we do that. So 3 times 4 divide with time 3 times 2 or 1. 1 over this 3 times 2.
It's January 1st, 201 at midnight.
Okay. Minus 5 over 8 divide time 1 over 4 time 2.
Minus 5 over 8 times 1 over 4 is approximately.
Okay. Then something of common factor, if we find, we just cancel. Cancel 1, cancel 1. Then here cancel, cancel, get 2. And here cancel, cancel, 2, cancel, cancel, 4. Okay, okay. So we come here. So 2 minus 5. Then 4. Okay. Solution should be negative 3 over 4. Okay, this is the final solution.